Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the spotlight is on a crucial accessory for musicians and audio enthusiasts. The 5FT USB PC cable laptop cord from Digipartspower, specifically designed for devices like the Digitech VLHM Vocalist Live Harmony, Multi-Effects Guitar Effects Pedal, and the TC Helicon Play Acoustic Vocal Effects Processor. This isn't just any cable. It's presented as a brand-new, high-quality solution built for wide use and reliability. One of the first things that stands out about this Digipartspower cord is the attention to detail in its construction. It features soft, bendable cables and smooth, rounded corners, suggesting a design focused on user convenience and durability. The inclusion of an anti-interference magnet ring is a significant feature, as it works to stabilize current and voltage, which is absolutely vital for sensitive audio equipment. This ensures a clean and consistent power supply, minimizing potential disruptions during performance or recording sessions. Safety is clearly a priority with this product. The materials used are chosen to ensure safety, and the overall design is crafted for long-lasting performance and perfect compatibility. It's positioned as an ideal replacement for an old or missing power cord, or simply as a handy backup to keep in a gig bag or studio. The cable's black color and light weight make it practical for transport, allowing users to take it outside without any worry. Its durable design promises sustained strength and performance over time. Furthermore, the Digipartspower cord incorporates several crucial safety protections. It includes overcurrent protection, OCP, overvoltage protection, OVP, over-temperature protection, OTP, and short-circuit protection, SCP. These features provide peace of mind, safeguarding both the cable and the connected devices from potential electrical hazards. Its compatibility is another strong point. The cable is compatible with any device powered with a smooth pin connection, and its high-quality cord is fully molded for maximum durability. This broad compatibility extends to many device types, making it a versatile addition to any tech setup. Specifically, it's perfect fit for the Digitech VLHM Vocalist Live Harmony and TC Helicon Play acoustic processors, makes it an indispensable tool for owners of these popular units. The USB Type-A connector and USB cable type ensure standard connectivity with laptops and PCs. In essence, the Digipartspower 5FT USB PC cable is presented as a thoughtfully engineered product. It combines robust construction with essential safety features and broad compatibility, making it a reliable choice for powering critical audio equipment. Users are encouraged to ensure they choose the right cord for their specific needs, and the brand offers immediate support for any troubles encountered. This cable aims to deliver consistent, safe power, allowing musicians and creators to focus on their craft without power-related concerns.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.